Now you're seeing a very rare sight. The family of George Floyd, his supporters and civil rights leaders, including our own Reverend Al Sharpton, Reverend Jesse Jackson, and others, on a day in which something that does not normally happen happened. The conviction of Derek Chauvin, former police officer in Minneapolis, for killing George Floyd. It is an exceptionally rare event. I want to let you all know that the President of the United States, Joe Biden, and the Vice President of the United States, Kamala Harris, are set to speak imminently, which is why I am breaking in so that we can sort of transition to that as soon as they begin. But while we wait for the President and Vice President to speak, I want to introduce our team that's going to start this off on the coverage here tonight. Katie Phang, our MSNBC legal contributor, Paul Butler, who's also an MSNBC legal contributor, and the same, Glenn Kirshner. And they are both federal prosecutors. I just want to go through and allow each of you to talk about this case. The prosecutors, Paul, Jerry Blackwell, Steve Schleicher, Matthew Frank, Aaron Eldridge, won a very rare victory here on behalf of the Floyd family. Your thoughts on this prosecution and the outcome?
45 witnesses, 3 weeks of testimony, a victory, decades, centuries in the making. It was State versus Derek Chauvin. The police or the criminal legal system were not on trial, but because Black people have been denied due process and equal protection of law for so long, trials can actually serve as a rough measure of progress. Joy, I think given the evidence presented by the prosecution, if there had not been a conviction, there would be legitimate questions about when a police officer could ever be brought to justice for killing a Black man. But fewer than 10 officers have been convicted of murder in the last 15 years. If this is the beginning of holding police officers accountable, it's long past time, but it's still a really good day for equal justice under the law.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.